Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. Let's dive into today's insights. So we want to set up our form conversion tracking in our GHL for our Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok ads for any kind of platform. But we will be showing about Meta ads. So let's get started. This is my landing page and this is my GHL. This is my GTM. So if I go to preview, and I try to go to my landing page, there is two way we can set up our conversion tracking when someone submits a form. I'll be showing you in a bit. Give me just move forward. Here, if I just entered my information, everything, it will see that, and my website URL, and then I chose I confirm. Then I am trying to claim my offer. If I just try to set my trigger with this thank you page URL, what would happen? You come here, when someone is actually submitted the form, they have landed on this thank you page, right? But they can refresh that thank you page. Let me show you. And the second way I mentioned is through custom event listener, which I have developed. You can see with that, you can also get the data of your forms. What I was collecting first name, I was collecting only full name, but GHL provides the privilege to get first name, last name automatically, and then email, phone, website. We can pass them all to Meta to improve our event match quality score. This is the second way and most recommended way to set up our conversion tracking for GHL form submission. What if we do through container loaded or through page view? If you just see container loaded or page view has been loaded, if I just give it a refresh, my tags would fire every time. You see, my tags would fire every time. If someone is reloading a page for 10 times, my conversion would fire for 10 times. But it is not actually 10 conversions, right? The reason behind this, the page view is not in our control, is in the user's control. They may reload this page for any kind of reason. So then it would just let your conversion tracking in miss route. Okay. So I'll show you how to set up this. Just go to tags and then create new, and then go to discover more tag types. Search for Facebook. Okay. And then you should add this Facebook pixel by Facebook archive. It is Facebook's official GTM tag. You should be using this. So here I should be getting my Facebook pixel ID. Let me get this. For today, let's create a new pixel for us. Let's create this web max, and I want to create new GHL 2025, and I don't want this. I will just click here. Okay, that would just create my pixel, and that's it. I would just close it, and I would go to settings and brought that dataset ID. That's it. Come to my GTM, enter this, and this is called page view. For now, let's say I want to say that I want to call it as contact, and the trigger would be what? Trigger would be the page view. I just want to show you two ways, whichever you want to prefer. This will be page view, and the page view URL is, you go to variable. This is the page view URL or my thank you page URL. So what it would be? Some page views, page URL contains this, and then thank you. If this is the thank you page, contact trigger. If the URL contains this, then send a conversion to my Facebook ad, right? Facebook pixel contact, and then you save it. And we will create another event, which is Facebook pixel, and I will also enter my ID, but this time that page view would be what? I would just call it lead. And the trigger would be a custom event. Okay, what is this? This one we generated, right? This is my event when someone is submitting that form. I would just save it, save this. Okay. So how this events is getting generated? It is through an event custom listener code which I have developed, which you can see this is the event listener code I have developed by myself. You can use that also. You can get that from me. So it would be a page, then you can just get it from me. So now let's preview it again and also go to our test event on our pixel, because we will be trying to see that how a conversion can lead duplication on your system. So if I just go to the form and I submit the information, okay, then I enter the information I need to, yes, whatever, traffic lights, 2, 3, verify, claim your offer. Okay, now I submitted the form successfully, right? There should be two conversions. One is lead, one is contact. You should also be see lead and contact. Now you remember the lead was set up through my custom listener code. You see lead generated. Now I want to refresh the page as a user. It's my wish, whatever I want to do. I did it, right? But this time only one event fired called contact. And you see no lead generate event fired on the second refresh. If you come here, your pixel is still receiving the contact. But that was an actually one conversion. I give it another refresh. So that way, if you just rely on the page view, it would just let you to misinformation of your pixel or of your data to your ad manager. You see, contact has appeared. So that way, we should not do it. You can just, the standard way and recommend way would be claiming the lead generated or the custom event listener code from me, and then that would just improve your tracking accuracy much more higher. And also this first name, last name, full name, email, phone, website, we can send this to Meta through Conversion API to improve your event match quality score. And you know, as the higher event match quality score is, the higher good performance of ads is. So that's it for now. Have a good day.